Hi there, I'm Andrea Garvey, and I'm super excited to talk to you about my newest workshop called Gathered Blooms. This is another art journal workshop. Similar to my other ones, we're going to start from scratch and create a gorgeous page. I actually have a demo page here, something that I've been working on. It's not going to be the exact same thing, but similar to a page where we are going to create these beautiful roses, peonies, whatever you want to call them, and just layer, have fun. This is a workshop where you can sort of choose what art medium you want to do it in. I'm going to be using acrylic inks, but you can use watercolors. I'm going to go through all of the art supplies in just a minute, but I wanted to create a class where we could come together as a community and create, or you can watch the replay and pause and create at your own pace. Either one is totally fine. These workshops are really about just playing, and it's never fancy pants. It's no matter if you've never done anything like it before or you're a seasoned artist, you're totally welcome and you're in the exact right place. This is a class where we are going to start from scratch, work our way all the way up. We're going to be doing these flowers that I just love so much on top of beautiful collage things that we're going to gather, and inside the classroom there'll be a list of ideas from you to where you could gather your collage papers from. Like, I love old jelly prints, music sheets, tissue paper with really cool patterns, even like bits of art that maybe you've been working on. The collage part is one of my favorite parts, to just glue and have fun. The roses and the flowers are going to be very meditative for us to create. We'll do those in the first part of the class. I'm going to use inks in this class. There is a video inside the classroom on how to make your own acrylic inks. So I don't want you to have to go buy anything. You probably have enough stuff. I'll be using some regular acrylic paint. So just pick a couple colors that you like. You don't have to go and get a ton at all. I love India ink, and I also love acrylic ink. And like I said, you can make your own very easily, but you might be like, look, I just love watercolors. Everything I'm going to teach you in this class, you can do in watercolors too. I often do watercolors or acrylics. It just depends. Not one is better than the other. Watercolors are just a tiny bit trickier to not smear when we're gluing, but I have techniques on that too. I'll also be using markers. I like to use permanent markers for some of our flowers, and I love paint pens. Any journal project with paint pens is the best. I also will be using a Signo ball to get all of those beautiful white details, and brushes. I'm just going to have a couple round brushes for me to make our flowers, and then I want you to have a yucky brush for your glue. You could use Mod Podge, you can use matte medium, you can use a glue stick, does not matter. I'll probably be using matte medium. You obviously need some scissors, and then there's like all these other little bits you can add, which is always fun, like just little pieces of cards or envelopes, old art, anything you can think of, tickets. So I want you to just know, like, this is just a class for you to have fun. It is my main mission, is for you to tap into your creativity, but have fun while you're doing it. These days, my sketchbooks and my art journals are full because I am just constantly trying to grab 10, 20, 30 minutes and just play a little bit. It really makes me feel good. It really brings me into a much calmer place for me. And so I pop in onto my desk. I have all my art stuff on, my art journaling stuff on one side, and I have my sketchbook, and it's just a really good thing to have. And so I want to invite you to join me. So this will be really fun for us to do it together. What else I want to tell you? The live is on February 21st at 12 o'clock Pacific. And if the live has already happened when you're watching this video, then the replays are available instant access. And I really hope that you can join me. There's something very magical about a Zoom live workshop together where it's like there's this energy and it just comes through the screen and into your room. And also you have lifetime access. So you could watch me do my journal page, or you could paint alongside with me. And then you could go back and pause when you see something really interesting. You're like, wait, I want to do that again or try that. So anyway, all right. Well, if you have any questions, you can reach out at help at AndreaGarvey.com, and we will get back to you, and I hope to see you there. It's going to be awesome. So I hope you can join me for Gathered Blooms, and I'll see you soon. Bye.